Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do back exercise of lesson number 5, Why the Sky is So High. First is choose the correct answer. This you all know. Then is fill in the blanks. This I have already done it for you. Now let's discuss the word power. Collective noun. Collective noun क्या होते हैं? You all know noun, name of a person, place or thing. Collective noun is type of noun. Collective noun is the type of noun which is about a group of things. The word which we use for a group of things. Like match the pictures with the correct collective noun. A pile of books. Books की क्या होती है? Pile. When there are a lot of books, we call it a pile of book. A fleet of ships. When there are many ships in a group, sailing in a group, we called it a fleet of ship. Banana, it is always in a bunch, so we call it a bunch of banana. A bevy of girls. When there is a group of people, it is called bevy of girls. Bevy, it's like group of people. A bouquet of roses. Roses का क्या होता है? Bouquet. Flowers जब होते हैं वो किस में होती है? Bouquet में. A team of players की क्या होती है? Team. So these are the collective nouns. So we have to match the pictures with the correct collective noun. Match and make new words and rewrite them against the correct picture. So we have to match these two columns and we have to write a new word. Let's take for example, we have pictures. It is grapes. So grape is a fruit. Grapefruit. Then is chips. Potato chips. Then is alarm clock. Then it is the picture of a firefighter. So we match these words and we get a new word. Grapefruit, potato chips, alarm clock, firefighter. Okay students? Now let's move to the grammar. Must and must not. Today we'll learn the use of must and must not. Must कब use होता है? Must is used for the things which we should do, we need to do. And must not कब use होता है? When we are not allowed to do some things. So let's take the examples. You must eat a balanced diet. Means आपको एक balanced diet खानी चाहिए. Then is you must not eat junk food. You should not eat junk food. Junk food हमें नहीं खाना चाहिए. So it is. I hope the use of must and must not is clear. Match and make correct sentences. So we have to match these sentences and make a correct one. You must help the old man cross the road. स्नेह, यहाँ से हमें क्या यूज़ करना है? With the pronouns or noun we have to use must or must not to make the correct sentence. So here we have you must help the old man cross the road. Sneha must not go into the deep as she does not know how to swim. I dash tell the truth and not hide anything. I must tell the truth and not hide anything. So जो हमें करना चाहिए, for that we will use must, and which we are not allowed to do, which we are not supposed to do, we will use must not. Got it students? So try to make few more examples, few more sentences using must and must not. Read these signs. Now write what these signs tells us. Use the word must and must not for each. So we will use must and must not. First is horn sign. So we must not blow the horn. We must stop after seeing this sign. This traffic rule It is, we must not take the U-turn from here. We must not park our vehicles here. So now read the following sentences. Rewrite them using the plural form of the underlined words. The knife is on the table. It is singular form. The knives are on the table. Plural form. So जो underline words हैं उनकी plural form हमें mention करनी है. The animal is in the cage. The animals are. Plural form के साथ helping verbs भी change होंगे. ये आपको ध्यान में रखना है. The animals are in the cages. The girls are sitting on the chairs. The chief is conducting the meeting. The chiefs becomes are conducting the meeting. This जब हम सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में चेंज करते हैं, वी मस्ट कीप इन माइंड द हेल्पिंग वर्ब. सिंगुलर से प्लूरल में जब भी चेंज होगा, वी विल चेंज द हेल्पिंग वर्ब्स ऑल्सो. The horse is galloping fast. The horses are galloping fast. Select the correct verb from the box and complete the following sentence. We have plucked, asleep, broke, take off. The plane did not. Plane क्या करता है? Take off. The plane did not take off due to bad weather. The naughty girls dashed some flowers from the neighbor's garden. प्लक का क्या मतलब होता है? तोड़ना. फ्लावर्स को प्लक किया जाता है हमेशा. वी विल यूज़ फ्लावर तोड़ने को लिए बोलेंगे फ्लावर प्लक करना. द बॉयज़ ब्रोक द विंडोज पेन वाइल प्लेइंग क्रिकेट. विंडो पेन क्या करेंगे? तोड़ेंगे ही ना जब बॉल हिट करेगी उसे. तो द बेबीज़ आर फास्ट अस्लीप. बेबीज़ जल्दी से सो जाते हैं. सो वी विल से द बेबीज़ आर फास्ट अस्लीप. सो टॉकिंग एंड लिसनिंग, यू ट्राई टू डू इट. You will play, either find your friend and practice this with him, or you can play both the parts. Like, read and practice with your friend. Julia, when you meet someone, how do you address him? Ruby, I say good morning, how are you today? Julia, what do you say in the afternoon? Ruby, I say good afternoon. Again, these are the two people. So two people can play this role, or you can do it on your own. I say good afternoon. What do you say at night? When if it is night, I say good evening. When do you say good night? When I leave someone having spent a pleasant evening, I say to him good night. So this is how you can practice the conversation part. Okay students, have a good day, enjoy it and do practice it.